Cold Spring Harbor, NY Pressure Washing. If you're looking for professional pressure washing services in Cold Spring Harbor, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. Benny's Property Services understands the unique needs of Cold Spring Harbor homes. Our local expertise ensures your property receives the precise care it deserves, enhancing its beauty and longevity with skilled precision. Swift service is our promise to Cold Spring Harbor residents. We pride ourselves on quick response times, ensuring your pressure washing needs are met efficiently and effectively, minimizing disruption to your busy schedule. Our commitment to excellence shines through in every project. We've built a strong reputation within the Cold Spring Harbor community for reliable, top-tier pressure washing services that consistently exceed expectations. Understanding Cold Spring Harbor's specific climate challenges is key. We expertly remove black and green stains like algae and mold from your siding and roofs, restoring curb appeal and protecting property value. Our dedicated team comprises highly trained professionals. Each member brings extensive experience and a meticulous eye for detail, guaranteeing exceptional pressure washing results for your home. Utilizing cutting-edge soft washing technology is our standard. Our low-pressure process cleans vinyl siding and asphalt shingle roofs without damage, ensuring a pristine finish every time. Years of industry experience stand behind our work. We've perfected our techniques, ensuring every pressure washing job, from patios to fences, is executed with unmatched expertise and precision. Only the finest, eco-friendly cleaning solutions are used by our team. Our special foaming additive clings longer to surfaces, providing a deeper, more even clean for lasting results. From roofs to driveways, our service is comprehensive. We meticulously clean all exterior surfaces, including siding, patios, and decks, enhancing your entire Cold Spring Harbor property's appearance. Adhering to the highest safety standards is paramount. Our formula targets parasitic dirt and grime while keeping nearby plants and landscaping completely safe, protecting your entire yard. Meticulous preparation precedes every wash. We take time to protect surrounding areas and ensure optimal conditions, guaranteeing a flawless, streak-free finish for your Cold Spring Harbor home. Our reputation in Cold Spring Harbor speaks volumes. Homeowners trust us for reliable, high-quality pressure washing that consistently transforms properties, making them look brand new again. Exceptional customer care is at the heart of our service. We listen to your needs, communicate clearly, and ensure your complete satisfaction with every pressure washing project we undertake. Every home is unique, and so are our solutions. We offer flexible scheduling around your timetable, providing tailored pressure washing plans for your Cold Spring Harbor property's distinct needs. Beyond cleaning, we offer valuable expert advice. Our team provides insights on maintaining your property's pristine condition, helping you preserve its beauty long after our service is complete. Consider us your ongoing property care support system. We're always here to answer questions and provide assistance, ensuring your Cold Spring Harbor home remains immaculate year after year. Our professional approach guarantees peace of mind. From initial contact to job completion, expect punctuality, respect, and unparalleled dedication to achieving perfection for your property. Ready to see the difference? We offer free, no-obligation quotes for all Cold Spring Harbor residents. Discover how easy it is to restore your property value with our expert pressure washing. Every project is unique, but customers who understand how pressure washing experts operate in Cold Spring Harbor, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right pressure washing specialist in Cold Spring Harbor, New York, bennyspropertyservices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more